Dirt Fisherman here again, y'all. It's another video. Me and my son's gonna be opening up some cars. We're gonna try to throw some videos out every Tuesday and Thursday. We're gonna try. That's our goal for this year, to give y'all 2 videos a week. See how that does. That's what we're gonna do. Say hey. Alright, so we're gonna get together, y'all. We're gonna open up some cars for y'all and put them on the turner. I don't know why, y'all, but my turner, when it's cold, it makes a noise. But when it's warm or hot, it don't. So it's making a noise today, so I hope that don't discourage y'all from watching our video. So here we go. Let's turn this thing around. All right. First, we're going to open up this 66 Nova. Got the flames on it. Here you go, baby.
I'm gonna get home.
Yeah, open it up for us.
I'm gonna get home.
What, baby?
I'm gonna get home.
No, baby. Here it is. 66 Nova with the flames job on it. That's a pretty cool one there, y'all. I like my flames. My son likes them too, don't you? Up next will be the 70 Pontiac Firebird. Throw it in there, baby. That's what I call it. Oh! Man down.
Open it.
There it is, y'all. I got all the variations of them so far because I like them. Stay here, baby. I'll give you some more. Uh-oh. I'll give you some more. All right, up next, y'all, is going to be the 87 Ford Cosworth.
Ford.
Yep. Just throw it on the ground. Just throw it on the ground. All right, all right.
That's it.
Check that one there out, y'all. Old Ford. It's red, but on the camera it looks orange. Alright, y'all. Next is going to be the Nissan Patrol Custom. With the motor sticking out the hood.
I got it in the trash.
That one's tough, ain't it? Alright. Check this one out, y'all. You got no motor sticking out the hood. Another nice one. Alright, up next, y'all, will be the Jurassic Park 86 Ford F-150. Since I like my Fords.
And it's actually a pickup truck.
Yeah, I think Matchbox is too hard to open up for some reason. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second. Alright, now, see you get your finger in there? Can you get it? There you go. Tear it up, tear it up, tear it up, tear it up. There we go. Oh, it about came out, didn't it?
Yeah.
Here it is, y'all. I like my old square body Fords. That's a nice one right there. Alright, y'all. As I hear, I got me a little bit of a Ford series kicking. So, up next is going to be the Ford Bronco 4x4. Oh, that came off easy. This thing is heavy. This is metal on metal.
It is heavy.
Uh-huh. Check that out now, y'all. That's metal on metal there. I didn't know these were metal on metal. Alright, up next is going to be the 29 Ford pickup. There you go, baby. It's going to be easy to open up now. For some reason, these things are easy to open up right there.
What is that?
It's a 29 Ford pickup truck, baby.
I mean,
Yeah, it's a little...
one. Is it with a bone shaker? Pickup truck?
It kind of looks like a bone shaker, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, up next is going to be the 79 Ford.
That's hard opening.
That wants to be a a pain, don't it? Okay, there we go. That ones came open easy down there. Wanted to be a pain, didn't it? They won't come out yet, baby. You gotta get more paper off. Come on, tear that paper off. There we go.
I put one out.
Yes, you did. Check that one there out, y'all. Got the old camper on back of it. Then up next is going to be the 65 Ford Ranchero.
I mean, pickup
There
truck.
we go. That's going to be easy now. Yep, they out there to do a turnaround. They're going a little fast. Alright, and check out the Ranchero with the motor sticking out the hood of it. Uh-oh, it wants to roll off. And these right here, y'all, are metal on metal. These are pretty cool ones here. Alright, y'all, up next, we'll open up some Hot Wheels Boulevard. Here's the custom 70s Chevy Nova.
I mean, Chevy.
Wait a second, now let me help you now. I gotta help you, baby.
I read the hole in it.
Okay, that's why you're supposed to do it. It's got a piece of plastic on it, baby.
I ripped the hole in it.
There we go, now you can grab it. Dump it out in my hand. Dump it out in your hand, there we go.
I ripped the hole in it.
Check this thing out, y'all. This here is nice right here.
I ripped the hole in the package.
Check that one out, y'all.
I ripped the hole in the package.
It's got a wide body kit on it. Up next on the Boulevard, it's going to be the 70 Rover P6 Group 2.
I bet hood opens up.
You might need my help on that one there. That's not the cardboard there, baby. That's hard. Watch this. Watch this. There, now stick your finger there and get it. You got the plastic out at least.
Yeah, I found it.
Uh-oh. What's my paper? There we
I
go.
flung it
It
out.
slung out, didn't it? Here y'all go, y'all. Mountain right there. And up next, y'all, we're going to do a Road Bandit. It's a school bus. Road Bandit, well, actually it says taxi on it, but it's a school bus taxi. All right, come on. It's going to be easy to come out. Ooh, Daddy caught it.
I found it right out.
Yeah. Check this one out, y'all.
That was a trick.
Yeah.
I flung it out. That was a trick. I flung it out.
Check that one there out, y'all. It's another nice one right there. Yep, let's do one more for this video right here. Alright, y'all, now let's open up the Range Rover Classic. Easy. Man down, man down. He's throwing cars down, y'all. He's so excited to open them up. There we go, y'all.
Maybe one more.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. That's going to do it for this little video right here that me and my boys got. Stay tuned for more, though. Like I said, we're going to do some more Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're going to turn this thing around and we're going to say our goodbyes. Okay, wait a second. Alright, there we go. Bye. Alright, y'all. If y'all like what y'all see, subscribe to our channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Alright.
Bye.